In this video, we'll learn how to use a WordPress media library. From your dashboard, to get to your media library, you can come over in the left-hand side navigation, and right under Posts, you'll see the link to Media. If we click on that, it's going to take us to our media library, and it'll show us any media we have in here. So it's going to be in reverse chronological order, starting with our newest and ending with our oldest. If you want to add new media to your media library, we can come up here to Add New. And we can add files in two different ways. We could either drag and drop them to upload them automatically, or we can click Select Files to navigate to the individual file manually. And it's interesting to note here, although we often see images in our media library, we can also add things like PDFs and Word documents and other common types of document files. Another little known feature is that we can come in and click on an individual image and we can actually edit it. So right underneath here I can click Edit Image, and then we can do some basic changes like rotating, cropping, and scaling our image. But you want to be careful here because it's going to make a permanent change. So you want to be sure that you want to change this permanently before you do things like scaling or cropping your image. So I'm going to exit out of here. And another good idea is to regularly clean up your media library. So if you upload a bunch of images that you never ended up using, we're going to have a lot of wasted space here. So I can do something like click on bulk select. And let's say I want to get rid of these two images, then I can easily delete a lot of these images. It'll give you a warning that you're about to permanently delete them. So if that's what I want, I could press OK. And then we can make sure we're keeping our media library to a manageable size and not keeping anything in there that we really don't want. So if you ever need help with your media library, you can always come up here in the top right hand side and you'll see this help toggle. If we click on that, it'll give us some tips for working with our media library.